Meet the brave paratroopers of the U.S. Armies, ready to demonstrate their expertise with the mighty M119A3 Howitzers. With their sheer power and precision, are the epitome of American firepower. Today, we're taking you on an exhilarating journey with the brave paratroopers of the U.S. Army's 173rd Airborne Brigade. Get ready to witness their extraordinary live fire exercise during Adriatic Strike 2023 at Posic Range in the beautiful country of Slovenia. The stage is set and the adrenaline is pumping as the paratroopers assigned to Battery A, 4th Battalion, 319th Airborne Field Artillery Regiment gear up for this incredible demonstration of precision and strength. These highly trained soldiers are part of the renowned 173rd Airborne Brigade, the U.S. Army's contingency response force in Europe. Their unwavering dedication and readiness enable them to project forces wherever they're needed within the U.S., European, Africa, or Central Command's areas of responsibility. As the sun casts its warm glow on the picturesque landscape, our paratroopers stand tall, ready to demonstrate their expertise with the mighty M119A3 Howitzers. These cannons, with their sheer power and precision, are the epitome of American firepower. The sound of thunderous booms fills the air as the paratroopers unleash controlled chaos. Round after round, they rain down upon the targets with unparalleled accuracy. Their skill and coordination are nothing short of awe-inspiring. These paratroopers exemplify the true meaning of teamwork and dedication. With unwavering focus, they flawlessly load, aim, and fire, ensuring that each shot hits its mark. Their synchronized movements reflect the trust and camaraderie they share, forged through rigorous training and countless hours of preparation. But Adriatic Strike 2023 isn't just about showcasing the U.S. Army's might. It's an opportunity for these paratroopers to strengthen alliances and build lasting relationships with their NATO allies and partners. Through joint exercises like this, they enhance cooperation, mutual understanding, and unity among nations. As the sun sets on this remarkable display of strength, skill, and unity, we salute the paratroopers of the 173rd Airborne Brigade. Their unwavering commitment to duty and their unbreakable bond remind us that freedom knows no boundaries. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more captivating adventures. Until next time, stay brave, stay strong, and keep reaching for the skies.